In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily turn on or turn off Facebook app sounds, even if you're on an iPhone or an Android as well. So first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Now you would have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you would have to tap on that gear icon on the top right, or you can simply tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Now, once you're in the settings of your Facebook account, you would have to scroll down all the way, and in this section you would be able to find an option of media. You would have to tap on it, and now in this section on the top you would be able to find an option of in-app sounds. Now by default it would be turned on, and if you find those sounds annoying, you can simply turn it off by toggling it off. Now whenever you would like a post or do anything like reacting or commenting, or you interact with the posts or videos, you would not be able to hear any sound in the Facebook app. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.